If you're a fan of fun facts, then you need to hear this. Sneezes are super speedy. That's right. When you sneeze, you're launching a rocket of air. A sneeze can blast out of your nose at up to 100 miles per hour. Imagine a car zooming down the highway, and that's your sneeze. But wait, there's more. That sneeze can send out up to 100,000 tiny droplets. It's like a mini rainstorm from your nose. So next time you feel a sneeze coming on, remember, you're about to break the speed limit. And hey, always sneeze into your elbow or a tissue to keep those speedy droplets in check. Stay curious, stay awesome, and keep those fun facts coming. Catch you later, speedsters.